Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers.
We are in St Peter's, St Paul's, Warsop Parish Church. R/9181 Rifleman E. Williams, King's Royal Rifles Corps, died 6th of December 1916. (778) Driver George William DENNETT, Royal Engineers, died 19th of June 1915, aged 22. 23978 Private S.C. Johnson, Royal Army Medical Corps, died 16th of April 1917, aged 45. M/3788384 Private C.A. Royal Army Service Corps, died 7th of June 1920, aged 41. PO/X1777 Corporal Frank Haywood, Royal Marines, died 8th of September 1941, aged 27. (897-210), leading aircraft woman, Priscilla Taylor, Women's Auxiliary Air Force, died 3rd of November 1942.
Priscilla Taylor, a cook and butcher attached to No. 16 Polish Regiment at RAF Hucknall, died of pneumonia in Nottingham General Hospital following an operation.
D/36747, Private Lawrence Millership, the Sherwood Foresters, died 15th of December 1943, aged 46. (222-0086), Sergeant George Clifford Marriott, Air Gunner, Royal Air Force, died 14th of July 1944, aged 20.
They took off in HX 338, which took part in the D-Day landings, for an afternoon for a cross-country flight. At 7:55 p.m. a fire broke out in the starboard outer engine. Squadron records. Whilst over South Wales, captain ordered crew to bail out and all did so, but the flight engineer and mid-up gunner are missing, believed to have fallen in the sea and drowned. The other 4 crew members of the crew were uninjured apart from very minor cuts and bruises. It would appear they tried for a forced landing at RAF Street Davids, but came short of the mark and crashed into sea after the fire became uncontrollable, leaving the crew no option other than to bail out. The doomed aircraft came in between Jack Sound and Gateholm. The body of Sergeant George Clifford Marriott washed ashore at Porthnagle, Caernarvonshire on the 17th of August. The strong currents of the Irish Sea had swept Marriott a distance of 112 miles over a month and 5 days.
T14683128.
Driver George Manning, accidentally killed on active service, November 2nd, 1944, aged 29. C/SSX 26127, Victor Williams Coleman, died 6th of January 1945, aged 24. (1791644) Bombardier T. Reader, Royal Artillery, 5th of December 1944. (4798639) Corporal Ernest Green, died 2nd of November 1944. (130936665) Private William Alex Buxton, died 21st of November 1945. D/23734 Private John Tom Rowling, the Sherwood Foresters, 2nd of October 1939, age 46. (646,544) William Harry Sanders, died 28th of September 1939, aged 27.
William Harry Sanders, aged 27, a member of the Royal Air Force, died in Mansfield General Hospital, Mr. Sanders was driving a car from the direction of Warsop towards Mansfield in the fog, when he came into collision with a bus, which he sustained severe fatal head injuries.
Also found Sergeant Percy Willis, killed in action in France, June 28, 1944, aged 33 years. TR5/186-599, Lance Corporal John William Woolgar, Machine Gun Corps Infantry, 15th of June 1918, aged 23.
Lance Corporal John William Woolgar, enlisted at Doncaster. He served with the Machine Gun Corps, formerly 116th Training Reserve Battalion. John had only been in training some few weeks, and contracted a cold, pneumonia supervened, and he died at the hospital, Clipstone Camp. He was 23 years of age. A number of his comrades attended the obsequies, and the coffin, borne on a gun carriage, was covered with the Union Jack. A firing party from Clipstone Camp fired 3 volleys over the grave, and the last post was sounded.
466920, Private James Smith, Labour Corps, died 6th of November 1918. Leslie Vardy, Home Guard volunteer, died 24th of November 1940, aged 26. (1198740), leading aircraftman Douglas Evelyn Hill, died 5th of March 1943, aged 21.
Service number 939, Sergeant Major Robert James Bye, Victoria Cross, who passed away the 23rd of August 1962, aged 72.
Robert Bye, who was born in Pontypridd and served with the Welsh Guards, was awarded the Victoria Cross for his actions at the Yare Canal on the 31st of July, 1917, the first day of the 3-month battle. His company came under machine gun fire from a heavily fortified system of blockhouses. He single-handedly destroyed one blockhouse and led men to take several more, capturing 70 enemy soldiers. Mr. Bye came to live in Warsop in 1925 with his wife Mabel. They had 2 sons and 2 daughters. His citation read, Number 939, Sergeant Robert Bye, Welsh Guards. For most conspicuous bravery, Sergeant Bye displayed the utmost courage and devotion to duty during an attack on the enemy's position. Seeing that the leading waves were being troubled by 2 enemy blockhouses, he, on his own initiative, rushed at one of them and put the garrison out of action. He then rejoined his company and went forward to the assault of the second objective. When the troops had gone forward to the attack on the third objective, a party was detailed to clear up a line of blockhouses which had been passed. Sergeant Bye volunteered to take charge of this party, accomplished his object, and took many prisoners. He subsequently advanced to the third objective, capturing a number of prisoners, thus rendering invaluable assistance to the assaulting companies. He displayed throughout the most remarkable initiative. End of citation. Bye, who moved to Nottinghamshire to work as a coal miner, also served in World War II as a sergeant major in the Sherwood Foresters guarding prisoners of war until ill health arising from his pit work forced him to leave the army. He then served in the Home Guard and as a temporary police constable. His Victoria Cross is displayed at the Guards Regimental Headquarters, Welsh Guards are HQ in London, England. The 30th of July, 2017, he had a road named after him. Robert Bye Way.